Hey, tonight we're diving into the mysterious midnight motivation for programmers. You know the feeling? It's midnight, you're fueled by caffeine, and suddenly you're convinced you're about to build the next digital empire. But beware! Reality might just be lurking around the corner. Let's talk about those late night dreams and the not so fantastic bugs that come with them. We've all been there. It's midnight, the world is quiet, and you're struck by that extra burst of motivation. You start envisioning grand projects, imagining yourself as the next tech mogul. It's like the perfect storm of creativity and caffeine, and it's invigorating. Midnight is when dreams of building a digital empire seem most achievable. You're designing architectures, planning features, and the code is flowing in your mind like a well-choreographed dance. It's the stuff of coding legends. Here's where the story takes a twist. You fire up your ID, start coding, and bam! You encounter a bug that feels like it's from another dimension. It's not on Stack Overflow, GPT can't comprehend it, and suddenly, your dreams of a digital empire are crashing down faster than a poorly implemented recursive function. Now you're deep in the bug hunt. You've checked Stack Overflow a dozen times, tried various solutions, and your coffee consumption rivals that of a Gilmore. The line between reality and your grand dreams is becoming blurrier by the minute. Let's face the reality. Bugs are part of the game. Every late-night struggle teaches us something valuable. I know that you know that great feeling of finally fixing that bugs that keeps your mind busy when you're showering, eating, or watching TV. The question that we should ask ourselves is how not to waste this motivation. As the night progresses, your mind is buzzing with ideas? Well, what I do every time is to write down the list of ideas that I have, then I start thinking about each one of them to see if it will really be achievable or not. Because sometimes our imagination takes us so far. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but you need to stay realistic. When my list shrinks to 2 or 3 ideas, I start seriously looking for the competition, and if people are searching for that, if I'm planning to work on it as a product to launch, not just to learn. But I know that many times people start something to learn, and they end up with a beautiful product ready to be published. I really recommend to developers to use Notion for organizing your ideas, because what comes after checking the competition and getting up the next morning with the idea of the project in your brain needs a discipline. And when you woke up normal, then it was just some random temporary motivation. But I advise you to take that situation serious sometimes, and you will find yourself with some cool projects to do and to learn from. I take, for example, this video and also my other videos. Once an idea pops up in my head, I start writing the script, and it may be obvious because sometimes my videos are random. But I find it a way to express myself as a developer with other developers that can have the same life as mine. That was it. Keep coding and see you in the next video.